Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, the YouTube channel. We have got a Toyota GT86 as the weather's getting good. Everyone's using aircons and aircon condensers failed. So I'm just doing a little video on how to do it. The way we found this out as well, there's a place in Bedford that you can get a nitrogen sniff test, I think it is. They plug it in, put nitrogen in the system and then have a little sniffer and find it. Turns out the condensers failed on this one. So we've ordered one in because these are, I say they're difficult to get hold of. Motor factors don't supply them, so we had to order one from a company that I've forgotten. I don't know why I'd forgotten, but yeah, we've got it from Fensport, and it's a Koyo Air unit. So we are going to need to access the AC condenser, which I believe is front bumper off on one of these. It's definitely going to be a bumper off jobby. Now obviously we've got these beautiful poppers. 10 mil, popper, 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 more poppers, more 10 mils, more poppers, and then you've got 3 along the side, and I'm not sure what's on behind there, but we're going to find out. So I'm going to start by removing these quickly. Just a quick one. So removed 2 poppers up here and a load of 10 mils. Then there's a black trim there that come off up here. Now going around to this side, removed these 3 screw poppers and another one from there. Then had a little look in, there is yet another popper just here. We take that one out, and then that kind of holds all this corner of the bumper on. You've got to take the indicator out as well, which, might I add, is very fragile. So please be careful when removing that indicator out of the side. Got to do it again on the other side now. But then get this popper out and then start underneath, and then I believe we nearly might have the front bumper off. And we have a bumper removed. Now, there was plug for the indicator that disconnected, plug for the fog light disconnected, nice and easy. Also had to take the fog light covers off. They are just a little hook, and they come off. So be very gentle with them. Now, got to remove the induction pipage and this plastic trim here. Or do we? So there's pipe 1, pipe 2, bracket, is that bolted to it? Yeah, one there. It'll just, I don't know if it's going to be easy to remove that or not. Yeah. I'm going to remove it just to give myself some better access. It's only a few more poppers, another 6 poppers there and 2 10 mils, so just work more comfortably, I guess. At this point, we should make sure we've got the right one delivered. Good news is, shield looks correct. We've got 2 mounting points, 2 mounting points, and 2 pipes. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 pipes. So, it's looking very good. Well, these will come out lovely. So I've squirted a little bit of loose juice in the top and the bottom. They just popped out. Now, if my theory is correct, this is just going to slide out from the top. Come on. Oh, we've got things in the way. That is stopping it. 1 second. In the event of working smarter, not harder, I undone that bracket, loosened that bracket with a few turns, and loosened that bracket. Now, my life is easier because you can always do this with one. You can't do this with one hand. And now she is finally out, which is annoying. They said it was leaking in a corner somewhere. Obviously, going to be hard to see without it tested, but either way, out of the old, in with the new. So yeah, all 4 brackets are in, everything's in and tight and secure. Now I'm going to change these O-rings for the genuine ones we have, and then pop it in and get it over for aircon. All right, they've all gone on nicely. Put a little bit of grease on the seals. Now it is time to start all this stuff again. Yeah, that will fall through there if you're not holding it correctly. Yeah, so now reassemble these 2 and the air vent. Left that popper in there to line it up. Boosh. Now, loads of poppers, induction bit, and then bumper. So we're going to fast forward to that now. So that popper's in, these indicators are on. They're going to be a problem for me. Connected, fog light and indicators both connected both sides, headlight washers in. Going to line this up first, just so the bumper is supported, and then go underneath and do all the other poppers, and then we're nearly done. Everything, dirty mark, all done at the top, lots of white grease. That is back in. Now it's just time to do the underside. Popper 1, popper 2, screw 3, popper. This one I didn't need to take off because it was broken in there already. So that one stayed there, but that should have come off. Popper 4, 5, 10, 15, don't know. Screw, popper, popper, done. Now we have got to do the 4 inside the arch liner on both sides. And they're all in that side, which is very, very good, very, very nice. And again, all in on this side. Indicators are in, held, everything's lovely. Just some dirty marks from my gloves. So now we need to take it over to get the aircon done. So it's at the end of the day. The GT86 has now gone back home with its customer. Aircon was done by VCT in Bedford. The new 1234A gas, for some reason they've changed the aircon gas. I know they've done it a while ago, but why? Didn't need to. Yeah, all nice and cold, all gone back, all good. Thanks for watching this video, subscribe, and that one is done.